Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the food fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And it above and not under y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang plus burp. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang / burping eating show. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get that little notification bell down there, y'all. Turn it on so y'all will be one of the first to be notified when your girl upload. Alright? So, okay, I have nothing planned for today. So we're just gonna do some on command. I have a little, something more than a little, it's a lot more to spray. So we'll see how everything is, but I hope everybody's doing well up there. All right, let's get to eating. It's like it's a roar. Yes. Like that mug was stuck. That sucker's like, I ain't going nowhere. I had a question like 2 days ago. Does burping feel good? It feels very good to burp. I ain't even gonna front. Ooh, man. Thumbs up this video! If you think these uncommand burps are what's up, thumbs it up. Let me know down there in the comments. Are you ever nope. I'm not done yet. I mean, I'm still trying to. Ooh, did you hear how that was coming out? And I'm hungry as hell, so I ain't eat yet. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Ooh. It's like they want to come out, but they keep getting stuck. Hell if I know what's going on down there. They coming out good though. I'm really I'm pleased with these tonight. Ooh. Ooh. I must say, your girl getting better. Your girl getting better. Yes. I felt like I needed some color tonight. And I wanted to go short. Yeah, needed. It's like, y'all, it's like, man, it's the way they coming out tonight. Like, oh my word. I think every time I do an on command burp or a burping video, you know, burping on command or whatever, however the hell you want to say it, I feel like the burps come out differently. Like every time, it's way better than the time before. You think so? There you go, it's stuck. I can't even get the air to go down all the way. It's like it's stopping right there. It's yeah. Like there you go. It had to sit for a minute and figure out what the hell to do. So, you know, it said, okay, it's time for what to come up now. So here you go. Okay, I can feel it. Oh. Ooh. Y'all, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.